Hey guys, this is Frank from MetriDynamic. How you doing? Today we're gonna show you the real UAV flight demo. Okay, so this is not a rehearsal, it's gonna be the real flight. Basically, we're gonna show you the entire operation, start from the assembly of the entire system, pre-flight check, mission planning, and flying. So some real operation. You ready? Let's go. So this is our UAV system, all right? It's actually in our 6-seater MPV. This has a huge area, so it can fit perfectly with 2 entire UAV system. But for the demo, we just one, okay? And we're gonna unload the system to the ground, and welcome my partner Liu. Let's go, give me some help. Okay, we start from the aircraft box. Okay, we got the aircraft box. And this is the GCS. Here we got this. And the ATA, okay? So basically this is how the entire system consists of. We got a GCS, we got the aircraft box, and also the ATA. So actually you see that this box is actually very portable. It has wheels on it. So if we want to move, we just shove it. Okay, let's go. We just spent a couple minutes, moved everything onto the takeoff field. And now we're going to do the quick assembly of the entire system. We start from the aircraft. Let's go. We take out of the aircraft and the tail, put it on the ground. We join the tail onto the fuselage with this electric tail lock. See how it works? Press the button. Okay, now the tail has already been mounted on the aircraft. Then we do the aircraft wings. So this is the wing. And this is the VTOL arms. We will put the VTOL arms onto the wings. It's actually very easy, right? Right? And twist the knob clockwise. All right. Make sure it's tight and fastened. Okay, so 2 operators on 2 sides. We will put the wings onto the fuselage. Let's go. Okay, and lastly is the flight tail. And this is the flight tail. The same, put it on. Alright, so this is the knob. Turn it clockwise to fasten. Make sure it's tight. Okay, there you go. And we just finished the assembly of the aircraft. And let's move the aircraft onto the takeoff field. Usually we go to the front, grab it. Okay. Okay, put it steady on the ground and let's go assembly the other equipment. So this is our dual screen GCS and let's just open it up. There you go. And this is your laptop. Place it on right place. Open the laptop. See the wire? Connect to the ports right over here. And press the button. Okay. The GCS already done. And the same way, let's go assembly the ATA. So this is our ATA box. Open it up. Take it out. There you go. The tray port. Mount it down. Make sure it's even. And turn it clockwise. Make sure it's fastened. Okay? And also, don't forget your wire. Okay, so this is the port. See that? Connect the ports on. Okay, see how quick it is. Now, couple minutes, already finished the build up and assembly of the entire UAV system. And this is all about today's demo. And for more information, you can also send emails to us or subscribe to our Facebook, LinkedIn or YouTube channel. I see you next time. Bye bye.